right, we are at Seal Beach. We just went live. It's Sunday, and we're gonna continue hunting for a little while, and hopefully we find some good stuff.
Like 20 minutes.
Now that we're not, we can go near the music. I think the music stopped. We can go near the pier area and the first lifeguard's shack, and hopefully we find something good.
Yes, indubitably.
Now watch me find something, either a phone or a ring or something good off camera that we were just live.
Come on now, that's not a big deal.
I know, but I want to do it when I was live.
I know, but you found an area. Well, I cannot say what we found, but we found some stuff.
You can. Two tent stakes. That was pretty awesome. You got to check out that video, especially towards the end where I found the tent stakes. It was epic.
Exactly.
Anyway, catch you on a find if we find anything.
Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Bye.
First target after being live. It's all over the place, so I'm not expecting much. It's right at the toes of this footprint. Oh, did I just already find it? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? Whoa, it's all full of water. Look at that. Dang. That is crazy. Look at the air bubble in there, if you can see that. That's gonna leak all over my bag. Seems like it's watertight though. A cool find. All right, target number 2, 7980. Oh, let's see what we got here. Ooh, a dime. All right. Sweet. Man, I dug this deep hole. All along, I missed the target. It was on the side. Look at that. Cool. Another tent stake. Got a jumpy signal right here. It's all over the place. Even the 2D is kind of all over the place, so I'm not sure if I should even dig it, but let's see what we got. Get that way out of the way so I can see. There's something here. All right. 60s, 66. There it is. These pennies are crazy. The numbers they come up as just... I saw the edge and thought, did I just find a ring because it was shiny? That little edge, and of course I didn't. All right, now I'm getting a nice target, 42, 43 right here. I don't know about the 3D, or I'm sorry, the 2D. I wish I had 3D. That'd be kind of cool. Not super deep, so let's just take it and shake it. Make sure I didn't knock anything out. Oh, again, with these pennies. They could be any number. That one's been there a little while. Look at that thing. Yeah, it's just totally jacked up. Sorry, Jack. Alright, I'm getting an 8-9 right here. Not really thinking it's be anything great, but we shall see. Hopefully that... Yeah. Alright, it's over here now. Let's see if we can figure this out. There it is. Yeah, that's more than aluminum. Alright, get another tire right here. 40s, a little bit everywhere. Hopefully the music behind me, like I said, is not interfering. Ooh, I hit something. Maybe it was a rock. Let's see here. Take one more scoop out of here. Now let's see if we got it or not. I think I have it, but I will say the Manticore is so sensitive, you can't get anywhere near metal. That's funny because it's a metal detector, but I meant poles or Even the shovel. Wow. Well, hi. That is a small piece of rivet or for jeans or something. I can't flip it over though. There you go. Wow. All right, getting a interesting target here. Kind of all over the place. Started off in the dime range. We're just gonna shake this out and watch for anything coming out. Huh. Maybe I missed it. Yeah. A little deeper than I thought, so we won't shake it out next time. Let's just double check. Wow. Watch me a tent stake again, even though the numbers don't seem like they would be. I'm not sure, I might have it this time, but we're just going to dump it and verify. Okay, so 67, 66, what could you be? Oh, to stick onto something. What's that say? Soundbound. Somebody's music. Man, that thing came up good. Wow, I'm surprised the tractors hasn't been out today. It's always out on Sundays. Getting a signal right here, 60s, 70s. Who knows? Let's check it first. Yeah, it was one scooper. What do we have? Of course, another penny. That's a nice one. Okay, this one's all over the place. It's only one bar down, so 1 to 3 inches. Dropped my scoop. Oh, look at that. Wait, I thought that's a nickel, but it doesn't look like a nickel. 10 something. Okay. I have no idea, but I'll get a closer look. Foreign coin. Cool. All right, getting a 30, probably pull tab, but we'll see. Oh, yep, good old pull tab. Getting a really jumpy high signal here. I've been picking up a lot of aluminum, so that's probably what it's going to be. Oh, finally got another quarter. It's been a while. Melted ice cream, anyone? So you can see I've been, see my lines. I decided to kind of work this area really hard. Anyways, kind of quarter is pretty my best find. I think I got a foreign coin too. Getting a jumpy signal here. It's a little bit of red in it, but mostly black. Not deep. I got it. I have it. Ooh, what do we have here? Huh. Snare ring, obviously. Very light. Almost feels like it's like aluminum. All right, well, we'll check out a little closer, but it's probably just bling. But man, got something good. All right, I'm doubling back. That's where I think I got the earring, was right back there or there. I can't remember now. And getting a jumpy signal here, but it's all black. Ooh, but there's more than one signal here, so let's just start digging. See what we got. Just gonna shake all these out over here. I just want to. Could be a coin spill if I'm lucky, or not. Huh. Let's see if I got anything yet. That's not deep. Let me try pinpointing this one. It's probably a coin or aluminum. No, that's a shell. Okay, here we go. Another quarter. Could have just been one target maybe, or it's just deeper over here. Let me get the detector out and check again. Well, it's got a quarter out of it. There's still something here. But it's kind of jumpy, so. Of course, that last quarter before this one was kind of jumpy too, so. And pennies have been really jumpy. I don't know why. There might be something there. Definitely something right here, and that's close, so I'm going to use the pinpointer again. There's a penny. Okay, I saw it. Okay. And we'll see if this one here has anything in it. Could just been imagination, I don't know. Alright, well, we'll keep going. Well, just behind me, I just found a quarter and 2 dimes. It's another nice signal here. Let's see what we got. I'm guessing another dime, or let's just shake this out real quick. I don't think it was too terribly deep. Oh, another quarter. Getting these quarters. 94. Get another jumpy signal here. It's all over the place. I'm doing pretty good. It picked up. I was finding nothing during the live, and then all of a sudden started gridding this area, which I probably should have done to begin with. Oh, there we go, another penny. Shield penny. It's good shape. But yeah, so working out so far. What are you eating?
Popcorn?
Sweet chili popcorn? Whoa.
Want one?
No.
Try it.
No.
Please?
Okay. Ew.
No.
I was doing chili. That's sweet.
Yeah, sweet chili.
Yuck. It doesn't taste good. It tastes like I'm eating cardboard.
No.
It's gross.
No. I love the other ones too, the red ones. When you go to the store, I need the red ones.
I'm not going to be able to talk with the chip in my mouth. So, we did our live this morning.
You licked your lips. It's not that bad.
I'm trying to get it off. I'd use my sleeve, but I don't want to get dirty.
Okay, go ahead.
So we did our live.
Yes.
And then after the live, I continue hunting for how long do you think? Hour and a half?
Probably about an hour and a half. We probably finished the live at about
Doesn't matter.
like 7:50, and you went till 9:30.
Okay, cool. So this is a combination of the finds. I didn't keep track of which are which. I know that like this was during the live, batteries were during the live. I found this. Got an ice cream scoop. I will put that in the kitchen cupboard for you.
Thank you.
All the red chili peppers.
No, those are not going in the kitchen.
Now this on the chips would be better. Anyway, total of 4 tent stakes, and they're all in great condition.
Wow.
There was a mic spill.
Mike spill.
There we go. We're focus. And then more bottle caps. These, I believe, are probably off, I'm guessing, a crab pot of some type to keep everything closed. We got a bunch of iron, and I was digging the reds just because I wasn't getting a lot of targets. So part of the padlock cut off, a couple bobby pins. This is off a speaker probably stuck on. This is really sharp. I'm not sure what that's off of, but it's probably some sort of electronic device. I'm happy to get that out of there. First find, which I didn't get on film after the live. I dug that up. Some little stuffs. This is some of the aluminum that we were picking out of the beach. We're finding less and less, which is good.
Yeah.
Keep digging it up and getting it out of there. Got a little tiny weight.
Cute.
And then stuff like this. This is just insane. I've lost it. Whatever. Look at that flashlight. Look at the bubble.
Wow.
Look at the bubble.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a leveling tool. I can level it. Crazy. Anyway, it's got a magnet on the back. Look at all the stuff stuck to it.
Gosh, so gross.
And then the change picked up a little bit. I did a grid on a section of the beach, and I found more change by doing that. Normally I just wander, but at that beach I'll actually grid it when I can, but try and get around the people. It is Sunday, so it's a little busier. And then I found another. This one's I ripped a little piece off of it because it was hanging off. But we got a V for victory. And then this one I didn't get a chance to record. Little earring. So this was an earring day. This was found during the live.
Yes.
And this one I found during the grid after the live.
We have one just like that.
Well, you know. And then this is probably my best find.
Yeah.
It's 10 rubles from Russia.
Oh.
So kind of hard to see. They don't. But yeah, I looked it up and it's 10 rubles. And then I walk into the bathroom. I saw this between the cracks in the sidewalk, so I got it. It's really nice.
In the bathroom?
No, in the sidewalk on the way.
Oh gosh.
And then this is some of the trash I was picking up. We didn't have our picker-uppers, or I would have stayed and picked up trash. But
yeah.
Anyway, so we had a fun live, and then I had a nice little dig after. A little bit of a rough dig as far as finds, but we had fun. Beautiful day at the beach.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day now.
I know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Say bye.
Bye.